Hello guys, we are here at Brooksville. We are joining the Blueberry Festival here. Let's go guys.
For whoever never heard anything about Brooksville, this is a little historic town in Florida, which is located north of Tampa. It's 1 hour drive north of Tampa, guys. Let's check it out and walk around to see, guys. Oh wow, that's beautiful orchids. Look at the price, guys. That's amazing.
Sausage ด้วยทุกคน
Oh, all the food trucks are in this area, guys. Come on.
Barbecue. Oh, they also have the wine garden. Chicken quesadilla. This is all like Mexican food.
Yeah.
ตรงนี้ก็เป็น Mexican food นะคะทาโก้ทุกคนดูอาหารเยอะมากเลย ว้าว this barbecue โอ้ทุกคนดู this turkeys oh my god look amazing so many choices you pick it
So many choices, so that's it. I'm
They
gonna
made my-
get a drink. We can go back to that first one.
lemonade I'm sorry
I will take a drink.
drink
See what you got. You have lemonade?
no
Okay.
Sprite
We used to do it.
you should have Sprite อร่อยอ่ะ
Oh.
How are you
Welcome to the Blueberry
Thank
Festival.
you yay blueberry muffin นะคะ
Blueberry muffin. Chili fest.
Do you want to try blueberry shortcake
It is very windy today. Oh my gosh.
ลมแรงมาก ทุกคนนี่คือถือเต็นท์นะคะ ตอนนี้เราเจอบลูเบอรี่ชีสเค้กตอนนี้
You want any cream on it?
Yes,
You want cream on it?
please.
Yes,
Yes.
please.
You said one? Did you say one?
Yeah, just one.
Is that the cream?
Yeah, huh?
That's good
Oh man, look at this. This guy has exotic jerky. Oh my god, gator, ostrich, venison, buffalo, elk, kangaroo. Ooh, have you guys ever tried this one?
It's okay
Go
to
ahead if
do
you want.
that It's not just for kids Come on No, this long So what is this? Is this
It's an
blueberry
ale.
cream ale? Oh
I'm drunk.
Interesting
I don't get the blueberry that much though.
How's it? You are my boy blue
Blueberry wheat ale. It's like blueberry water.
Blueberry water
Yeah. Very weak.
Because it's wheat
He said this was mild? That's milder. It's mild.
It's mild It's like a water da
Water, I'm telling you. You want to walk back down that way now?
Yes รสชาติเหมือนดื่มน้ำบลูเบอร์รี่ผสมโซดานะคะ
Chai club. I gotta hold him.
I like this one I like the cream Blueberry jam Oh we need to look for the blueberry barbecue sauce
No, that's raspberry.
It's a-
Black raspberry.
They should have the blueberry นี่ก็จะเป็นร้านขายแฮนด์คราฟต์ต่างๆนะคะแฮนด์เมด
They also have tons of vendors over here.
This is cool guys
How we doing?
ก็เป็นบาร์บีคิวซอสบลูเบอรี่บาร์บีคิวซอสนะคะ
Blueberry dessert hot sauce.
dessert hot sauce
Blueberry bourbon hot. Extra small. It's pretty tiny.
They also have Brooksville logo t-shirt over here, guys.
Cowboy Circus
Yeah.
show time is
got
what
an
time
hour.
is an hour we come back
It's more to the left.
We've got Skittles Energy Tea samples. Come on down. Taste. Arrive. Very good.
Oh, I want some lemonade. There is also some live music over here.
I tried playing this the other day and I couldn't remember it. I'll see if I can do it now. There it is. When no one else can understand me, when everything I do is wrong, and you're always there to lend a hand in everything I do. Well, that's a wonder. Oh yeah, wonder of
Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.
wonder.
กลับบ้านจ้า บ๊ายบาย